So to properly load the grease gun, you need to pull this part out. So you just gotta pull it out all the way. Get your grease, and it's gonna tell you where to insert into the gun. So on this side it says this end into the gun first. This is what this side that will open. Once you have it open, just open it up as you see, and then get your grease, and then make sure the open side goes in first. And then once it's in, take this, just take this cap off that was on the other side. Once you have it off, put this back inside, the front side back inside. Turn this part of the gun clockwise as you hold this side, and then don't tighten it first. Next thing you're going to do is press this part over here as you pull this lever back inside. This bleeds the air out. Once it's all inside, tighten this part completely. And then open your cap, and then you can do a few pumps over here. Make sure you have your rag intact, and you can see the grease coming out, and that's how you know it's good. So thank you for tuning in. Watch the other videos on how you can grease manual jacks, and please subscribe. See you in the next one. Ciao.